right, before you scroll, do you want to finally understand English when you listen and speak with confidence? Then stay right here. Today, we'll practice slow listening and shadowing, the secret technique that helps you sound fluent faster. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Fluent Mind Language War. In this episode, we'll train your ears and your voice at the same time. It's a special practice called shadowing, repeating what you hear just like an echo.
Hi there! Shadowing is one of the best ways to learn English naturally. When you listen carefully and speak right after, your mouth and brain start to work together, like music and rhythm.
Exactly. So today, we'll give you short, simple sentences at a slow speed first. Then we'll repeat them a bit faster. All you need to do is listen carefully and copy our speech.
Ready? Let's warm up your English muscles.
I'm learning English every day.
I'm learning English every day.
I listen carefully to every word.
I listen carefully to every word.
I speak slowly and clearly.
I speak slowly and clearly.
I don't give up.
I don't give up.
Perfect. That's the idea. Listen, repeat, and keep your rhythm.
Now, let's practice with daily life sentences.
I wake up early every morning.
I wake up early every morning.
I drink a glass of water.
I drink a glass of water.
I go for a short walk.
I go for a short walk.
I feel fresh and ready to learn.
I feel fresh and ready to learn.
Good job! When you speak at the same time as me, you're doing shadowing.
Now, let's add a little motivation, some positive English for your daily routine.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
I can learn English step by step.
I can learn English step by step.
I practice every day and I'm getting better.
I practice every day and I'm getting better.
I'm proud of my progress.
I'm proud of my progress.
Beautiful! These positive sentences help your mind stay strong while learning.
Let's continue. We'll do a few short conversations. Try to shadow both of us.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm great, thank you. And you?
I'm good too. What are you doing?
I'm studying English right now.
That's awesome. Keep going.
Thank you. I won't stop.
See, even short talks like this help you build listening rhythm.
Now, let's do the same conversation again, but faster. Try to shadow it naturally.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm great, thank you. And you?
I'm good too. What are you doing?
I'm studying English right now.
That's awesome. Keep going.
Thank you. I won't stop.
Nice work. When you can match our timing, you're improving your fluency.
Let's add a few more sentences you can shadow every day.
English is part of my life.
English is part of my life.
I listen, I speak, and I learn.
I listen, I speak, and I learn.
Every word I hear makes me stronger.
Every word I hear makes me stronger.
I enjoy the process of learning.
I enjoy the process of learning.
Excellent!
Let's finish with a short motivational conversation. Shadow with us again.
Learning English is not easy, but it's possible.
Yes, every day we get a little better.
Exactly. We just need patience and practice.
And a smile helps too.
That's true.
All right, that's our shadowing practice for today.
You did amazing. Remember, the secret is simple. Listen, repeat, and don't stop.
Even 10 minutes a day will make a big difference in your English.
And don't forget, stay positive while learning. Motivation keeps your mind open.
If you enjoyed this episode, follow the Fluent Mind Language War for more slow listening and speaking practice every week.
Thanks for learning with us. And remember,
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning.
see you in the next episode.